Hi, in our last video, we saw how we can remove a login security prompt showing before WP admin form. In this video, we'll see how we can add SSL certificate, free less and encrypt SSL certificate to our domain. So this, as you can see, now it's showing not secured. Uh, so we will uh, add the SSL certificate, and there should be a padlock here. Okay, so Vultr have already uh, option for this. We just have to log into our Vultr dashboard and go to this document page. When you open this document page, the first option is how you can install SSL certificate. So for this, we just have to run this line of code to active our uh, SSL code. So I will log into my VPS server via SSH root copy your IP address, paste it here, and if you are doing, I have added my credential with this PC, so it's not asking the root password. If you are not, then you have to provide this username and password to enter or access your VPS server. So just for now, just copy this chatbot code and paste it here. So here we have to edit email address. This is my this is test. We'll put a test domain address here. So there is two options. One is domain name with www and one is without www. If you are using both, you have to put both option. But I'm only using without www option, so I will put it here. And remove the other option, remove the www option. Okay, so it should hit enter. Wait for a couple of seconds. It shouldn't take much time. Okay, now you can see this congratulations, your certificate and chain have been successfully saved. So when you see this notice, you will see your domain. Okay, we'll open it in incognito window, and now you can see that there is a padlock option, means that SSL is activated in our domain. So as you can see, it's very easy to activate free Let's Encrypt certificate to your Vultr VPS. Uh, if you have any problem, just comment below. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.